Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel where we talk about everything related to the English language. In today's video, we will be discussing how to overcome common English grammar mistakes. Whether you are a native speaker or a non-native speaker, everyone make mistakes, but the important thing is to learn from them and avoid them in the future. So let's get started. In this video, we will be discussing different techniques in order to overcome English grammar mistakes. So the first technique is understanding the basic. The first step to overcoming grammar mistakes is to have a strong understanding of the basics. This includes parts of the speech, sentence structures, and grammars rules. Make sure you have a good understanding of the basic before you move on to more complex grammar concept. So the first thing is understanding the basics. And the second technique that we will discuss here in this video is practice, practice, practice. The more you practice using English, the better you will become at it. This means reading, writing, speaking, and listening in English as much as you can. Try to find opportunities to use English in your daily life and make it a habit. So, second technique is practice, practice, and practice. The third technique that we will discuss here in this video is use resources. There are plenty of resources available to help you improve your grammar, such as grammar books, websites, and apps. Make use of these resources to help you identify and correct your mistakes. Additionally, you can also take an English grammar course or find a tutor who can provide you with the personalized feedback and guidance. The fourth technique that we will discuss here in this video is pay attention to the grammar common mistakes. Some common grammar mistakes includes subject-verb agreement mistakes, pronouns agreement mistakes, and the proper usage of the punctuations. So pay attention to these areas when you are practicing and make sure you understand the rules for each one. So pay attention to the common mistakes is the fourth technique in order to correct your grammar mistakes. The fifth technique that we will discuss here in this video is ask for a feedback. Finally, don't be afraid to ask for feedback from others. Find a native speaker or someone who is proficient in English to review your writing or speech. They can provide you with valuable feedback and help you identify areas when you need to improve. So the fifth technique is ask for feedback. Don't be afraid from anyone. So viewers, in today's videos, we have discussed on how to overcome common English grammar mistakes. Remember, the key to improving your grammar is to have a strong understanding of the basics. Practice as much as you can. Use resources to help you. Pay attention to the common mistakes and ask for feedback. Keep practicing and you will see an improvement in no time. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more English language tips and tricks. Thanks a lot.